Identity and access management. Identity and access management is the foundation of an organization's cybersecurity framework. It involves the systematic management of digital identities and access rights to ensure that authorized individuals can access the resources they need while preventing unauthorized access. IAM governs not only human users but also devices, services, and applications that interact with organizational systems. Its primary goals are to enhance security, streamline operations, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Effective IAM implementation reduces the attack surface, prevents data breaches, and plays a pivotal role in digital transformation by enabling secure access to cloud environments, remote work setups, and collaborative platforms. Core components. Identity management involves creating, managing, and deleting digital identities. A digital identity is a set of attributes, such as usernames, email addresses, and security credentials that uniquely identify a user or system. Identity management ensures these identities are accurate, up-to-date, and securely stored. Automated tools often handle the provisioning by creating accounts for new users and deprovisioning by removing access when users leave the organization. Once identities are established, access management controls what resources a user or system can interact with and the level of access they have. Example, read-only, write, execute. Access rights are based on roles, policies, or specific attributes. Authentication is the process of verifying a user's identity before granting access. Common authentication methods include passwords, which is the most basic form, though often vulnerable to attacks. Multi-factor authentication, which combines multiple factors like something the user knows, something they have, and something they are. Biometrics uses unique physical characteristics like fingerprints, facial recognition, or retinal scans. After authentication, authorization ensures users are only granted access to resources they are permitted to use. For example, a marketing employee might have access to campaign tools but not financial records. Privileged access management involves managing and securing access for accounts with elevated permissions, such as system administrators. PAM tools provide strict control over these accounts, including session monitoring and password rotation. IAM policies and role-based access control. Role-based access control assigns permissions based on roles within the organization. For example, a sales representative might have access to customer data but not to payroll information. Roles are predefined, and access rights are granted accordingly, simplifying management and reducing the risk of privilege escalation. Attribute-based access control extends RBAC by using attributes such as location, device type, or time of access to determine permissions. For example, an employee might only be allowed to access sensitive data from a company-approved device. In least privilege principle, policies are designed to follow the principle of least privilege, granting users the minimum level of access required to perform their tasks. This reduces the risk of accidental or intentional misuse of resources. IAM enforces strong password requirements such as length, complexity, and expiration periods to strengthen security. Policies include timeouts and automatic logouts for inactive sessions to prevent unauthorized access if a device is left unattended. Importance of IAM. IAM is a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity strategies, offering a wide range of benefits. By restricting access to sensitive information, IAM prevents data breaches and minimizes the risk of insider threats. For example, only HR personnel should have access to employee records. Many regulations, such as the GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, require organizations to implement robust access controls. non-compliance can result in heavy fines and reputational damage. IAM automates routine tasks like onboarding and offboarding, reducing the workload on IT teams. For instance, a new employee can automatically be assigned appropriate access based on their role, while departing employees can have their access revoked immediately. IAM reduces the risk of cyber attacks by enforcing strong authentication, monitoring user activities, and detecting anomalies. For example, if an employee's account is accessed from an unusual location, the system can trigger alerts or block access. Technologies supporting IAM. IAM solutions incorporate a wide array of technologies to ensure secure and seamless access management. Single sign-on allows users to log in once and access multiple systems without needing to authenticate repeatedly. For example, an employee can access email, file storage, and project management tools with a single login, improving user experience and security. Federated identity management enables cross-organizational access by integrating identity providers like Google or Microsoft. For instance, a contractor can use their corporate credentials to access a partner organization's resources without creating a new account. Cloud-based IAM solutions offer scalability, allowing organizations to manage identities across on-premises and cloud environments. These solutions integrate with popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. AI-driven IAM systems analyze behavioral patterns to detect anomalies, such as unusual login times or locations, and take proactive measures to mitigate threats. Biometrics provide a more secure and convenient alternative to passwords, while passwordless systems use email links, tokens, or biometrics to authenticate users. Challenges. Managing numerous identities across platforms and systems can lead to unauthorized access risks. Legacy systems often lack compatibility with modern IAM solutions, making integration complex. Fragmented IAM tools prevent a unified view of user access and policies. Strict security policies may frustrate users, leading to non-compliance or credential misuse. Traditional IAM systems struggle to scale with growing users, devices, and IoT expansion. Poor handling of admin accounts increases the risk of breaches or insider threats. Unauthorized apps bypass IAM systems, creating unmanaged security gaps. Employees with excessive access can unintentionally or intentionally cause harm. Organizations face difficulties in meeting diverse regulatory standards. IAM solutions require significant financial and personnel investment. Ensuring secure access for remote employees across diverse networks is challenging. Misconfigurations, such as incorrect roles or permissions, lead to security vulnerabilities. Some IAM systems cannot promptly identify and respond to access anomalies. Proprietary IAM solutions limit flexibility and increase switching costs. To summarize, identity and access management is a critical cybersecurity framework that helps organizations control and monitor user identities and access to sensitive resources. It ensures that only authorized users can access systems, data, and applications based on their roles and privileges. IAM encompasses processes like user authentication, access control, user provisioning, and security policies. The goal is to protect sensitive information, mitigate security risks, and comply with regulatory requirements.